Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, if you look at the price of silver, it is continuously on the upside. Okay, this is on the weekly chart I'm showing you, but volatility, you can see there's so much of volatility. And remember one thing, when there is so much of volatility, try to reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL and target by twice. What will happen with that? You will be in a more good position to get the targets. Okay, otherwise if you are trading with the same quantity and the volatility is high with the same SL, you will lose your profit, even your capital. Remember this. Okay, how the silver is moving? It is moving in a zone. Okay, see, whenever the zone breakout happens, we have seen an upside and even downside. Okay, see, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Since 3 weeks there is a continuous fall. Okay, yesterday we have seen there is a spike in silver as well as in gold. Okay, but chances are high that there is a continuous fall we have seen if you look at from 3 weeks, but overall trend is upside since October of 2022. Chances will be high that suppose if the price didn't sustain, yes, a probability of not sustaining is there, and it can touch a level of around $23.318. Okay, and if the price fall below this level, it will move towards a level of $23.067. Okay, now once the price fall below that particular zone, chances will be high it will move further down towards a level of around $22.526. Okay, and then further, because there is a pattern forming, and you have to understand, as soon as it breaks a level of 23.318, it will fall further down, and probability of going towards 2.03 is there. As soon as it breaks that particular zone, then a probability of going towards a level of 22.526 is there, and from there a probability of going towards 22.284 is there. Okay, and then further low we can see. So you have to understand there is a pattern forming, and chances will be high it will move towards a level of $22.284, and then further low if the price didn't sustain this level. Okay, now remember, as I've already explained you, see, this is the pattern for this particular level. Okay, but overall trend you can see. But so once the price sustain above a level of around $24.638, then you can see a probability of going further upside. Okay, chances are less because we have seen there is a continuous fall from 3 weeks. See, but if it sustain above a level of 24.630, then a probability of going further upside is there. Suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, it will move towards a level of $23.936, and if the price move above that particular level, it will go further upside, and chances of going towards a level of around after moving a level of 23.936, a probability of going towards a level of around 24.278 is there. Okay, now once the price move above that particular level, it will go further upside, and chances of touching a level of around 24.596 is there. Okay, and if you see this particular level, and we can see it will go further upside, and chances are very high it will cross that particular zone, and we can see a level of $24.857. Okay, so once it sustain above this level, it will cross that particular zone, and then you can say it will go towards a level of around $25, and then you can say it will move further upside. Again I repeat, if the price sustain this level, a probability is high that once it started sustaining above $23.887, we will see further upside, and a probability of crossing a level of 24 will be there, and chances will be high that it will cross a level of $24.516, and probability of touching a level of 24.616 is there. Okay, so once started sustaining above this level, it will go further upside, and chances of touching a level of 25.285 is there, and from there it will move further high. Keep that in mind, that once started sustaining about $24.600, we will see further upside. Okay, keep that in mind. Otherwise what we will see, that if the price is not moving above this level, then we will see it will move in this zone only. As soon as it breaks a level of around 23.309, then you will see a further fall, or if it moves above level $24.6, then a further upside we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. And keep a note of it that whether some news is coming here from here and there, what is the real truth is on the chart. Okay, never see, suppose somebody said that the market will go upside, but what the chart is showing a downside. So what you have to rely on the chart. So better always set your SL. Okay, always trail your SL so that profit can be saved and capital can be saved. This is the first and important thing you should do. Okay, whether somebody is earning X amount or whatever amount, but remember, you have your limits, you have how much capital you can take a risk. So always set your limit as per your risk. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.